Hi, this is Dropship here today. Every day, I research and share the hottest new products to help you grow your dropshipping business. Here are today's top winning picks you don't want to miss. The first product of this video is bow earrings. Simple and stylish. These bow earrings bring a delicate charm to any outfit. Designed in a minimal yet elegant bow shape, they're light, fashionable, and super versatile. Perfect for everyday wear, date nights, or gifting. The polished finish adds a subtle glow that flatters any skin tone. It falls in the niche women's fashion jewelry. They sell for $19.99, cost around $1.80 with shipping at $2.30, giving you a great $15.89 profit. Highlight these in gift guides or TikTok outfit of the day videos. They're eye-catching, classy, and lightweight enough for all-day wear. Now moving to a piece that's both sentimental and sleek. Alloy Hands Hug Ring. Adjustable and emotional. This open-style hug ring wraps around the finger in the shape of two gentle hands, symbolizing warmth, love, and connection. It's adjustable, gender-neutral, and emotionally meaningful, making it ideal as a gift for loved ones or long-distance partners. The niche of the product is minimalist jewelry and gifts. You can retail it at $18.99, it costs about $1.10, shipping is just $1.80, which gives you a $16.09 profit. Great for romantic gift guides, mental wellness content, or family-centered product showcases. Now here's something that blends luxury with a twist of fun. Cross Crown Rotatable Diamond Necklace. This necklace isn't just visually stunning, it spins. Featuring a rotatable crown over a diamond-studded cross, this fashion-forward piece catches light and attention. Whether styled with streetwear or formal looks, it's a statement accessory that works in multiple niches. You can include this product in niche trendy statement jewelry. Sell it at $24.99. Cost is $3.20, and shipping sits at $2.50, bringing in a solid $19.29 profit. It's perfect for viral TikToks, influencer unboxings, or dramatic product reels that show off the rotating feature. Next, we're diving into something relaxing and therapeutic: Kaleidoscope Aromatherapy Bracelet. This beautiful bracelet doubles as an essential oil diffuser. Designed with a kaleidoscope-style locket, it combines fashion with function. A few drops of essential oil inside can create calming effects that last all day, making it ideal for people into wellness, meditation, or natural living. Niche of the product is related to the aromatherapy jewelry and wellness accessories. Retail it at $26.99, it costs $2.50, and shipping is about $2.40, giving you a sweet $22.09 in profit. A great product to feature in self-care content, anxiety relief tips, or even ASMR-style unboxing videos. Now, let's switch to something fun, futuristic, and a little cosmic. 12 Constellations Luminous Bracelet. This bracelet glows in the dark and features all 12 Zodiac constellations, giving it broad appeal across astrology lovers, teens, and those into nightlight accessories. The punk-style band adds a touch of rebellion, while the glow-in-the-dark charm keeps it magical. You can count this product in the niche: astrology gifts and teen accessories, priced at $22.99. With a product cost of $2.10 and shipping around $2.50, you're looking at $8.39 profit. Market this with horoscope content, aesthetic night videos, or what your zodiac sign says about you shorts. If you want to private label it and get a cheaper price, you can go to app.bsdropshipping.com. BS offers private label service, no MOQ needed, and their prices are normally cheaper than on AliExpress.com. Now, a dazzling yet dainty ring with a modern vibe. Double cross copper inlaid zircon ring. This miniature copper ring features two cross designs encrusted with zircon. Small, sleek, and perfect for stacking. It's designed to be stylish without being flashy, making it suitable for everyday fashion and churchgoers alike. Niche of the product is modern Christian jewelry and minimal accessories. You can sell it for $20.99. It costs around $1.60 with $2.20 for shipping, so that's a healthy $17.19 profit margin. This works beautifully in faith-based gift guides, or aesthetic jewelry reels with moody backgrounds. Next, let's fuel up with something functional for fitness lovers: Electric Protein Powder Mixer Cup 400ml. This automatic shaker bottle is a game changer for gym goers. With a 1200 milliamp motor and wireless charging, it blends protein shakes, coffee or smoothies with the touch of a button. No more clumps, just smooth, consistent drinks every time. It falls in the niche fitness gadgets and gym accessories. It sells well at $38.99, costs around $9.40, and shipping is about $4.20, delivering a strong $25.39 profit. Pair this with gym routines, daily prep vlogs, or fitness influencer collabs. It's both functional and futuristic. Finally, something comfy to wear at home that your feet will thank you for: solid thick-soled home slippers. These non-slick home slippers are thick, durable, and stylish enough for modern interiors. Great for indoor and bathroom use, their thick sole offers soft support that relieves pressure, making them ideal for women and men alike. It can be said to be in the niche homeware and comfort living. Retail price is $23.99. Cost is about $3.30. Shipping averages $2.60, which gives you a solid $18.09 profit. These do great in cozy home aesthetic videos, clean with me content, or morning routine clips. There you have it. 8 winning dropshipping products for 2025 that combine emotional appeal, smart design, and high profit margins. Whether you're building your first store or testing new offers for your brand, these products are packed with potential. If you want more product lists, ad angles, or marketing tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite product from today's list. See you in the next one.